In this video, we're going to capture flames using gold leaf and show how acrylics and oils can come together to create unique and beautiful patterns on the canvas. Hello everyone, I'm Vickie and welcome to my art channel. The canvas is sculpted to create texture and dimension for the gold leaf and light to bounce off of it. We'll be creating a unique painting using a mix of acrylics and oils and colors. We will start by layering a base of transparent acrylic washes and choosing colors that create a balance between the warmth of oranges and the coolness of blues. Complementary colors that will bring out the best in our painting. As we work through the painting, we'll pay attention to the shape, textures, and the movement of the colors across the canvas. As we paint a beautiful figure surrounded by flames, we start off by layering a base of red paint to create a vibrant background for the gold leafing. We will then apply gold leaf sizing to the areas of the flame, headdress, some of her feathers, and her bracelet. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the sizing will be tacky and ready to apply. We will then brush over the sheet, making sure all the gold adheres to the areas. If you're enjoying the details of this video, please give it a like. Subscribe for more painting tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Also, I forgot to mention I'm revealing an exciting surprise within the video, so please keep watching. This may seem like a mess, but artists know that this is the way beautiful works of art are made. Previously, we added some expressive collage in the flame followed by transparent oils. We will then move through layers from back to front, adding texture and rich details. As we near the end of the painting, we will focus on the facial features and the arm. Finally, we'll have a beautiful one-of-a-kind painting to admire. Oh, I cracked myself up. Have you ever had one of those days?